Hold your horses. Hey there, gearheads and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we delve into the fascinating intersection of technology and engineering. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI and technical drawing, exploring how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we create and innovate. Now, before you picture robots hunched over drafting tables, let's set the record straight. The reality is both more complex and more exciting. AI is making waves in engineering, no doubt. It's not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. But it's not about replacing human ingenuity. Instead, it's about enhancing it, augmenting our capabilities in ways we never thought possible. It's about giving engineers superpowers. Imagine having a tool that can think and learn, adapting to your needs and helping you solve problems faster. Think of it like this. AI is the power drill to an engineer's screwdriver. It amplifies our efforts, making us more efficient and effective. It can handle the repetitive, time-consuming tasks, freeing up engineers to focus on the big picture, designing innovative solutions to complex problems. This means more time for creativity and less time spent on mundane tasks. So buckle up as we explore how AI is transforming the way we bring our mechanical dreams to life. From drafting blueprints to executing complex designs, AI is here to stay, and it's making the future of engineering brighter than ever. Before we can build anything, we need a plan, right? That's where technical drawings or blueprints come in. Imagine trying to build a skyscraper with just a rough sketch on a napkin. Chaos. Technical drawings are the detailed instructions that tell manufacturers exactly what to build and how to build it. They use a universal language of lines, symbols, and annotations to communicate every dimension, tolerance, and material specification. From the tiniest screw to the most complex engine, technical drawings are the backbone of mechanical engineering. They ensure that everyone involved in the manufacturing process is on the same page, speaking the same language. Creating technical drawings used to be a painstakingly manual process. Drafting tables, T-squares and compasses were the tools of the trade. Engineers would spend countless hours meticulously plotting points, drawing lines and adding dimensions, all by hand. One slip of the pencil and it was back to the drawing board, literally. This traditional method, while effective, was time-consuming and prone to human error. It also required a high level of skill and precision, honed through years of practice. But hey, that's how we did it back in the day, hard work and attention to detail. Enter AI, the game changer. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way engineers approach design and manufacturing. Today, engineers have access to powerful computer-aided design software that automates many of the tedious tasks of technical drawing. This software not only speeds up the design process, but also enhances accuracy and efficiency. Want to create a three-dimensional model from a two-dimensional sketch? AI can help. With just a few clicks, what once took hours can now be done in minutes. Need to generate detailed manufacturing drawings with just a few clicks? AI's got your back. These tools can produce precise and comprehensive drawings that meet industry standards. AI-powered CAD software can even analyze designs for potential flaws and suggest improvements, saving engineers time and preventing costly mistakes down the line. This predictive capability ensures that designs are optimized before they reach the manufacturing stage. Some popular AI-powered tools include Autodesk Fusion 360, a versatile platform that integrates design, engineering, and manufacturing into a single tool. Autodesk Fusion 360 uses AI for generative design, helping engineers explore thousands of design options in minutes. This allows for innovative solutions that might not have been considered otherwise. Solidworks, with AI-powered features like automatic part recognition and design optimization, streamlines the design process. It helps in identifying parts and optimizing designs for better performance and manufacturability. And PTC Creo leverages AI for augmented reality capabilities, allowing engineers to visualize their designs in the real world. This immersive experience helps in understanding the design's real-world application and potential issues before physical prototypes are made. Now, before we get carried away, it's important to remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human engineers. AI can assist in many ways, but it doesn't have the ability to replace the human touch that is crucial in engineering. While AI excels at automation and optimization, it lacks the critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills that are essential for engineering. These skills are what make human engineers indispensable. AI can process data and run simulations, but it can't innovate or think outside the box. AI can't understand the nuances of a design problem, consider real-world constraints, or make judgment calls based on experience and intuition. These are areas where human engineers shine. They bring a depth of understanding and a level of expertise that AI simply can't match. That's where human engineers come in. They are the ones who can interpret data, make informed decisions, and ensure that the final product meets all necessary requirements. Think of it like this. AI can help you bake a cake faster, but it can't tell you what kind of cake to bake or who you're baking it for. The creativity and decision-making process are still very much human tasks. The why behind the design is still very much a human domain. Human engineers are the ones who understand the purpose and the end goal of a project. They bring vision and direction, ensuring that the design not only works but also serves its intended purpose effectively. The future of technical drawing lies in collaboration between humans and AI. By embracing the strengths of both, we can unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency, innovation, and problem-solving. Imagine a world where engineers can focus on the creative aspects of design, while AI handles the tedious tasks of drafting and optimization. Imagine designs that are not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing and environmentally sustainable. This collaborative future is not a far-fetched dream, it's already happening. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more exciting developments in the world of technical drawing. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and it's more important than ever for engineers to stay ahead of the curve. Embrace continuous learning, experiment with new AI-powered tools, and never stop pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Remember, the best way to avoid being replaced by a robot is to become the one programming it. So, keep those minds sharp, those pencils moving, or maybe those mice clicking, and let's build the future of engineering together. And hey, if you ever need a break from all that high-tech stuff, you know where to find me. I'll be the one covered in grease, fixing something with my bare hands.